On my way to fix some or restore some emergency lights. I think there's 6 or 7 of them. I stopped by yesterday to get a make and model number. They take some lead rechargeable batteries. I stopped at the supply house. They did have them in stock, so I got them on the truck. And I'm heading to the office where they need to go and see if I can get them restored. This is an example of an emergency light that's not working. You can see it has line voltage since the button light is illuminated. You can go ahead and push the test switch. We have bug lights are not illuminated, so we're going to go ahead and change the lead rechargeable battery. This type we got 2 latches right here. It's really hard to see if I separate the base from the fixture itself. See the red light's illuminated. Now it's not. These are the 3 contacts that need to connect here. And here's the old battery. I'll take it to the bench and replace it. Here we got the battery. Down low in here is the negative post terminal. Spade. Pull out the wire. Old battery, low charge, new battery. Red is my positive, and the short wire down here is my negative. Get it on here. This one, yeah. Do it by hand. And they got a strap that holds the battery from flopping around. And you're installing it or taking it off the wall for service. Velcro strap. We got the bug lights, got the test switch. And I'll go install it back on the wall. If this is your first time here, my name is Tom. I am a facilities maintenance technician. Look at that. Still not seated perfect though. I'm gonna hit the test button. That's what we're looking for. Patience is virtue. I like to get it in a little bit more. I'm seated here perfectly. The latch is closed, but here the latch is open. There we go. That is perfect. I am not going to push my luck. Pa-boom! Break time.